Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Easy English Chat. My name is Lewis, and I am so happy, so truly happy that you are here with me today. This is a special episode. It is a long-form practice session designed to help your ears and your heart. This is a safe space, a quiet space, a space for you to grow at your own pace. In today's episode, I will talk about motivation in language learning. What is motivation? Motivation is the fuel for your journey. It is the energy that keeps you moving forward when you feel like stopping. We will talk about how to stay strong, how to keep going, and how to enjoy the process of learning English even when it feels difficult, even when it feels impossible. In this podcast, I speak slowly, I use simple words, and I repeat my ideas many times. I do this because I want you to feel confident. You can listen, you can repeat, and you can shadow my voice. Shadowing is like a dance. I lead and you follow. You listen to my sound and you make the same sound at the same time. It builds the muscles in your mouth and the confidence in your mind. Are you ready to begin? Let's prepare our bodies for learning. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Now, breathe out slowly through your mouth. Relax your shoulders. Let go of your stress. Now, your mind is ready. Let's begin our journey together. Learning English is not a sprint. It is not a race to the finish line. It is like climbing a beautiful, very tall, very ancient mountain. Sometimes the sun is shining, the birds are singing, and the path is easy. On these days, you feel fast, you feel smart, you think, I can do this. But other days, the weather changes. There is fog, it is cold, you feel tired. You feel like you are moving in slow motion. You look at the top of the mountain and it looks so far away. I want to tell you something important right now. That is okay. It is normal to feel tired. Repeat after me. It is normal to feel tired. It is normal to be slow. Repeat after me.
It is normal to be slow. It is normal to make mistakes. Repeat after me. It is normal to make mistakes. You are not alone in this feeling. Every person who speaks a second language, even the people who speak perfectly now, they felt exactly like you feel today. They had days where they wanted to cry. They had days where they wanted to give up. They needed time to listen. They needed time to practice. They needed time to fail, and they needed time to try again. On the bad days, you don't need to be perfect. You don't need to learn 100 new words. You don't need to read a whole book. You just need to take one tiny step. One small step is still a step forward. You are not at the bottom of the mountain anymore. Look back. Look at the ground behind you. Look at how much you already know. You are a climber. You are a fighter. And you are getting stronger with every breath you take. Now, let's look closer at how to stay motivated. I have 5 deep tips for you. We will practice the sentences for each tip together. Please repeat after me. Tip number 1. Do just a little. When the mountain looks too big, do not look at the top. Look at your feet. Do not look at the whole English language. Just look at one sentence. You do not need to study for 1 hour today. Just do one small thing. Repeat after me. 1 minute is better than 0. Repeat after me. I will do a little today. Repeat after me. Small steps are good steps. Tip number 2. Remember your why. Your reason is your power. Why did you start this journey? Is it for your children? Is it for a better job? Is it to travel to a new country and see the world? Is it just for the joy of learning? Your reason is your fuel. When you are tired, your reason gives you energy. Repeat after me. My reason is strong. Repeat after me. I am doing this for my future. Repeat after me. I remember why I started. Tip number 3. Make it easy. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait for a quiet house or a perfect mood. The perfect moment does not exist. Make English easy to start. Put your notebook on your pillow. Save this video on your phone screen. Make it so easy that you cannot say no. Repeat after me. I will start now. Repeat after me. I make it easy to practice. Tip number 4. Be kind to yourself. We are often very mean to ourselves. We say, I am stupid, or I am too old to learn. Stop that voice. Replace it with a kind voice. Treat yourself like you treat a good friend. Repeat after me. I am proud of my effort. Repeat after me. I am a good learner. Repeat after me. I am doing my best. Tip number 5. Celebrate small wins. This is the most important tip. Did you understand one word today? That is a victory. Did you finish this 5-minute section? That is a win. Smile at your progress. Feel the heat of that success in your heart. Repeat after me. I am making progress. Repeat after me. Every win matters. Now, listen carefully. I am going to speak with slightly longer sentences now. I want to stretch your ears just a little bit. This is how we grow. Many learners ask me, Louis, how do I know if I am getting better? I feel the same as last month. I want to tell you a secret. Progress in English is often very quiet. It is like a tree growing in a garden. If you sit and watch a tree for 1 minute, you see nothing. You think, this tree is not growing. But if you go away and you come back in 1 year, the tree is huge. It is taller than you. It has strong branches. Your English is the same. You are growing roots right now. You are learning the sounds. You are learning the rhythm. One day, you will be watching a movie or listening to a song, and you will suddenly understand. You won't even think about it. You will just know. And you will realize, oh, I am doing it. I am speaking English. Here is a task for you. Use your phone today. Open the voice recorder. Say 3 simple sentences. My name is. I live in. I am learning English. Then save it. Do not listen to it yet. Wait for 1 month. Then do it again. Speak the same 3 sentences. Now listen to the first one and then the second one. You will hear the difference. You will hear the music in your voice changing. You will hear your confidence growing like that tree. This is how you make your progress real. English is your key to the world. It is more than just words. It is a bridge. It connects you to people in Brazil, Vietnam, Iran, Spain, South Korea, and Japan. It opens doors to international jobs. It gives you the freedom to travel and talk to anyone. When you speak English, the world becomes smaller and your life becomes bigger. Think about your future. Imagine yourself 1 year from now. Imagine you are sitting in a cafe in a beautiful city. Someone walks up to you and asks a question in English. You look at them, you smile, and you answer. You don't feel afraid. You don't feel shy. You feel free. That person, that version of you, starts today. It starts with this video. It starts with you choosing not to give up. I want to tell you, truly, from my heart, that I am proud of you. You are doing something that many people are afraid to do. You are learning a new language. You are opening your mind. You are being brave. It does not matter if you speak slowly. It does not matter if you have a thick accent. It does not matter if you forget the grammar sometimes.
What matters is that you are here. What matters is that you are trying. What matters is that you are showing up for yourself. You have reached the end of this long practice session. You stayed until the very end. That is amazing. That proves you have the motivation. That proves you have the strength to succeed. You have already won today. I am Lewis, and this is Easy English Chat. Thank you for being part of my journey, and thank you for letting me be part of yours. Come back to this video whenever you feel tired. Let my voice remind you that you can do this. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep shadowing, and most importantly, keep believing in the power of you. I will see you in the next episode. Bye for now.